Terezi. What? The last red Fago's here. If you want to come and get it. Give me that Fago!
Jesus fuck, Terezi, where's the AJ? Where the fuck is it? This better not be a fucking joke. Shit, Terezi, where? Oh my god. TZ, wake up. Damn it, TZ. Fuck, what the fuck happened? Shit. Shit. Gamzee? Jesus Christ, Gamzee, do you know what the fuck happened to TZ? Fuck.
You know, I never really liked you. You never really liked me. So it's best that we go our separate ways. Or at least you do. You bastard! Huh? Oh, feel my teeth. Not even mention my breath. Okay then.
I know what you've been doing.
Oh, turn that frown upside down. You made me kill my friends. Just leave me alone.
You know you wanted to. They were just getting in the way.
I'm the one in control here. I'm the one that controls your actions. You're just trying to get me away from you. But you know, you always have to give up one day. Why don't you shut up? I can control myself if I want to. You just shut up! You're very, very mature. You know, if you let me take over, people will respect you. You could have a whole grand place. You know, you are the high blood here. Shut up, shut up, shut up! I hate you. I hate everything about you. You're not me, okay? You're not. I'm gonna take back my body now, and you can't stop me.
So she'd probably be really happy if we did this.
Dangerous sight. You're not the Grim Reaper.
You know what? You wanna go?
You're not the
You're not the Where's my spoon? I am David Mulan. Wait, what? Strider. Damn it.
Cookies?
Sure.
Are we recording?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
You just realized? Wait, I got this.
No. Your patron troll is Equius.
No, it's not. Oh, Dave? Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, no, actually, Dave's Zodiac troll is Equius. Dave's patron troll is Terezi. Oh, Dave's patron troll is Terezi.
It is.
Yeah.
Because that's the only one. That's okay, whatever.
Wait, slow down. What are you doing? Are you taking our music?